Hello everyone, this is Nancy coming back to you with a brand new video. Today I am so excited to share with you how to do designs, dragon scales on the gel polish nails, dipping nails, or with the liquid and powder. Hope you're enjoying it and let's get started. When a lot of people were asking, how is that I can create this look and it's how long it lasts, and we did have it for our several clients. They love it and they're wearing it for up to 3 weeks, and even until today when we haven't even removed it and I took some pictures. It's just amazing. It will stay really good on. So I'm gonna show a couple of designs. It's similar to this because this is a 3 color I'm using to create this look. You can do a sideways ombre or you can just do a traditional ombre. We need Glitz glue gel, a thick density of precision glue, and it have a cap. We take the cap and then it have a little needles that you can squeeze it in to fill it in if we're missing any spot, or there's a gel brush to apply the gel. If we're using a precision glue, it's not necessary to using it light brush, but I always have it with me. This our crystal picker. So it's one head at the wax for you to easy to pick up the crystal, and the other head using it to move or reposition your crystal. Let's start it. I have 2 different nails that I prepped here, and I finish it with the newest collections of color C&D Shellac Lux, which is one of my favorites brands, gel polish, along with C&D Shellac, and we have C&D Shellac Lux. It's really pretty, and the brush is really easy to apply on. The color is so opaque, which is I really like, and has so many pretty nice trendy colors, like from a nude collection to the really deep dark collection, and it's so easy to polish this on if you're using on the client's nails or on the liquid and powder. So I finished is 2 coat of Shellac Lux. Name of the color is called, I think, Uncover. And I finished is 2 coat of it, and with top coat, and I buff the side of the color, the side of the nails off. So then that way when we apply the glue gels on, it will help adhere better without it feeling a slick on the nails. And I don't want to forget, I picked some of the crystal AB in size SS3. SS is stand for stone size. So I picked the little tiny, I don't think it's tiniest one, but it's most common, popular size, which is SS3. The reason it is I'm gonna use this SS3 to be in some part of the design. It's just some of the fill-in when we have a design, and I'm gonna using SS3 instead of a bigger size, because in SS3 it still looks really nice, and also it's got fill-in in some of the gap for the dragon scales that we're gonna apply. Because sometimes that it go by different shape. It would look like a diamond shape in each different scale that we're gonna apply. So then when therefore the edges is gonna probably have the gap that we're gonna fill it in to make it full look pretty designs. And I put it in a case I pick SS3. It's so sparkling and it's so tiny, so then it kind of blend in with the dragon scale, so it doesn't just distract from the designs at all. I'm gonna use a gel brush and pick up just a small amount of glue gel, and it was really thick density. You can see it how I pick this up. This will hold our dragon scale up to 3 weeks. This is just a smaller amount, but you can always go back and pick up more if it needed it. So I'm gonna apply all inside the nail surface. And this glue gel is cell level. You don't want to apply too thick of a glue gel. because you don't want your dragon scale pieces sink into the glue gel, so it doesn't look nice. It's not gonna shiny at all. This is self level right away. I'm gonna divide the nails into 3 sections. 1, 2, and 3. So then you're gonna make the ombre look. There are 2 sides of the dragon scale. So one side you can see it's shiny, and make sure that is that exact side that you're gonna put on, and that's the right side. If you flip it over like this, it doesn't look nice. Make sure that you pick the right size that you're gonna do. So I'm gonna start from right in the middle. I'm gonna just place this one next to it, and you keep moving along with that. And then you can see that the glue gel, it sucks. The glitter sucks right in the glue gel and it stay in one place. You keep continue filling on along with the nails. Now with the next one, you make sure you are place them right in between the first row of scale. It's like you're playing a puzzle, I guess. So I keep going to the 3rd row. It's so simple. You just place them. Two 3rd rows. And I'm gonna go into the next color. Raise up is the right side. So you're gonna place it. They're so pretty already. So if you accidentally separate them by somehow, some way, just gentle push it back, because you don't want to push hard to the point that glue gel is gonna be pushed so much. So I'm done with the first rows. I'm gonna move into the 2nd row of the green. I usually wipe the tips of my wax off, so then therefore it won't get glue gels on it, because I don't want a glue gel touch to my dragon scale. So I have to be really picky to do that, so then that will give it the best look, and it's shiny. On the side, as you're seeing it, this is just not enough to do another dragon scale that's a diamond shape here. So that's how I'm gonna add the SS3 in to this spot to fill it in. 5th row. So see, so if you accidentally get this, you want to switch it to the right precision. You don't want to lay them crooked, and it doesn't look pretty at all. Done with the 2 colors. I want to move into the 3rd one. Go into that row. You already see the look, the changing of to the white, to the light green, all the way fading. So I applied the last one. I'm gonna using the SS3 to fill in on the side. The reason I pick SS3 because they're so small and it fit in all little area. So we continue to fill it in until you feel satisfied with the design. And you can also filling in this spot here, right on the top. SS3 is just fit right into that. And on the sides, I fill them all up with the SS3. As you go along, because especially the shape of the nails is, and you want to make sure that they go in really nice and slender, and the shape stay the nice shape, because you don't want to get it bulky out on the sides and it change the shape of your nails. So I'm happy with the designs I want, so I'm gonna go ahead and key it for 60 seconds. I'm gonna put it in the LED lights for 60 seconds. I'm getting it out. I'm gonna using precision glue. This is cool. After I'm done, I can feel it's so smooth already and so shiny, sparkling. I am going to seal a little bit using this precision glue. I love it. It's just so handy. I squeeze a little bit of glue. You can see that. Squeeze a little bit, and I just seal into the gap. Go along with this, because you don't want all the rough edges to catching in the client's hair. And go on the other side. I'll make sure I'm doing it right in the cuticle area as well. I'm gonna key it for another 60 seconds. With this glue, thick density, then when I applied the dragon scales on, I seem it to stay in one place. It doesn't move anywhere. And I'm using a glue gel, a Glitz glue gel, the precision glue, to help seal in any of the edges that need to be filling in when it missing when we apply the gels on. That is stunning. You can see that. So shiny. And you don't need, that's it, that you're done. You don't need no more top coat to coat over it, because if you coat your top coat, gel top coat over it, you're gonna ruin all entire effects of the surface of this glitter. It's beautiful. Thank you guys, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channels for more videos to come. Hope you enjoy the dragon scales. It is really cool and it's really different that you can have it at service at the salons for your clients as well. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day. We'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.